Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. I am Sunrit Hajra. Today I am going to show you how to render image in Blender. So let's get started. So first let's open up Blender, and in Blender we will open up General. And now we are in General. We have all the default items around. So the main things required for rendering image in Blender is a camera, a set and light. If you don't have light, your set will be completely dark and you will be able to see nothing. If you don't have a camera, you will not be able to render anything. And if you don't have any set or a mesh, then there's nothing to see. So these three things are the most important things for rendering image in Blender. So I have currently these things by default and we all have. So at this current situation we can render the image. For rendering image you have to just press F12. And that's how you render an image in Blender. Let's close this. And there's one more way for rendering image. That's it. You just go to this render to here and click on render image. Like this you can render image. In case you are rendering something in Blender, you could do one thing. You can go to this rendered viewpoint from here and check how your object or set is going to look when it will be rendered, and you can just open the camera view and see how your cube is going to look. So the image that we have rendered looks exactly like this without these guidelines and grid. For this video I am going to make a set in speed mode and then I will try to render it. So let's make the set. So here I've made a very simple set and I've given lighting and set up the camera. So if we want to render this image, we just have to press F12. So that was how I have rendered an image in Blender. So that was all for today. Thanks for watching.